Hello, hello. This is Sarah Clay from the LinkedIn booth at the Great British Business Show, and I'm sitting here with Yusuf Nur, who is a freelance copywriter. Hi, Yusuf. Great to see you.
Thank you. It's lovely to be here.
So Yusuf just walked by my stall, my stand, and I stopped him and I asked him if he used LinkedIn. And wow, here we go. So tell us your story.
So this begins where when I first had it for the first year or so, or maybe even 2 years, nothing really happened. I was drumming up, trying to get new leads and trying to get jobs, and I felt like something was missing and not quite right. Anyway, long story short, I felt I had a business coach who at the time kind of went through my profile like a fine-tooth comb, if you like. And so he looked through that and saw my photo, saying that is an absolutely terrible photo. That's the first thing we need to change.
That's the thing I would say.
Yeah. Well, it was either you or him, essentially. So he looked at my photo, said it was awful, and it looked like it was kind of a black, kind of, if I remember correctly, it was a black pinstripe suit, kind of not really smiling, not doing much, just kind of a nondescript photo, I guess. And that was the first thing we changed to a nice kind of, photo of me smiling, kind of looking invested, looking enthusiastic. People, buy from people, and I believe your photo is your kind of like the first impression you leave. And that applies to everything like that we do. So we changed that. I changed my profile to optimize what jobs I was looking for exactly. Put all my experience down, things I was good at in terms of like endorsements and so on. And within doing that, within a month, I believe, or 2 months, I'd got about 2 or 3 jobs from that. And it's almost like a London bus in a way. They all kind of came along at once, and suddenly I couldn't move for kind of new leads or clients that way.
That's amazing. That's such a great story about updating your profile photo to not look too businessy and unfriendly, because as you say, it's about people working with people, and you're still getting clients presumably using LinkedIn.
Yeah, so I'm getting quite a lot of calls and like DMs and whatnot. I'm in a position now where I'm kind of almost starting again because I'm kind of looking and so on. I'd like to kind of ideally 1 or 2 more, I suppose, like as things change, people come and go in business quite quickly, and as is the case. But I like to think that people kind of going to do the same thing. And the best thing about it is LinkedIn is kind of the place to do it, if you like, because you never know who's going to email you out of the blue, and just say, hey, we're looking for someone. Can you jump on a call with us? That's how it certainly worked with me.
That's fantastic. And it's so lovely to see a success story. So thank you, Yusuf, for spending your time with me on the Sarah's LinkedIn Live Lounge.
Not at all. Thanks for having me.